I'm right here, dude. I'm not doing nothing, dude. Get out my face, dog.
Listen, bro, I gave you my license. You got my license right there,
Yo,
right?
relax. Hey, don't touch me.
I never touched you, bro. Call your... That shit don't mean nothing to me, bro. Do you have a search warrant?
What are you talking about, bro?
Okay, then. You asking me what am I talking about, but you got my people out here crying and doing all this extra shit. That shit is getting on my nerve right now, bro.
The 31st of March 2025, Florida United States traffic stop escalating to felony drug arrest and resisting an officer. Location residential street vehicle stopped in the middle of the roadway.
Lower down the window for me.
It's already down, sir.
The back window.
Okay. That's my baby mama on the phone, bro.
All right. Do you have your driver's license?
Yeah, she's pregnant and...
Okay.
What's up, bro?
Okay. Do you have your ID on your bus, man?
No, my ID's at the crib.
All right. Do you got any of you guys have a medical marijuana card?
Oh, shit.
Huh?
What color do you like?
No, I don't.
Yeah.
For what? I don't.
I do got blunt road though.
Yeah, you know, you got a roll blunt in the car.
Where's the smoking though?
You can't. Okay, let's sell for. It's weed is still illegal.
Come on, officer, man. Come on now. Just leave where I live at. I live right here.
Right,
That's my nephew.
You blocking the. You blocking
my baby mama
listen,
walked up out here, man. What did we do wrong, man?
You blocking the roadway, man.
Right there, though, brother. I live right there.
All right, man. Hey, you're gonna go to jail. All right, give me 25 feet, or you guys gonna go to jail.
So you gonna take my baby girl to the jail too?
No,
She's right there.
her.
You gonna take her to jail too?
Yeah, why you doing this? What you doing there?
Because I respect that.
Okay.
I'm sorry, okay? I respect that, officer.
All right.
You feel me, bro? Come on, bro.
I mean, hey, lower down that other window for me.
Let me do it.
Bravo 3795. For how more you need? Can we get more?
I'm sorry, man. You know me, man. You done put me over in my daddy truck, bro. You remember right there, you know, low Vince? You ain't pulled me over in my car, but my recent car, I had an Infinity. Come on, right there, bro. Come on, bro. I'm good. You know I'm good-hearted people, bro. I'm trying to protect my family, bro. That's all.
From what?
From what? From everything that I'm fighting for, my brother. You know what I'm saying? I'm a young Haitian black man out here in these streets, man.
Okay.
You feel me? I done been to prison. I'm
Hey,
a felon, bro.
step back for me,
I'm
man.
a whole felon out here, bro.
What
You
that,
hear
what does
me?
that got to do with me?
It don't got nothing to do with you, but you know what I'm saying? I'm just expressing myself right now.
I cannot stop in the middle of the roadway.
Oh my God, I live right there, bro. What more
You live
can
in the
I
street?
Of course, and we was in front of that house, man. I live right there, bro. That's my address, bro.
Now y'all got this lady out there crying and shit.
Hey, get your ID. Yo, man, give him your name for me, bro. Where
Come
they,
on, bro. Don't take me away from my family, bro.
Oh, did I say I was gonna take you away?
I never said that, but look at them right now, bro. Look at my pregnant wife, bro.
Okay.
Look at my pregnant wife, bro.
Okay, I don't know why she's doing all that. I don't know what's going on. There is no need for her to do all that. And you, my boy, you need to step back. Go by them right now. I'm not gonna tell you twice.
Listen. Hey, guys, do me a favor? Hey, my man. I know you hear me. Look, let's go over here.
My face, dude.
I'm letting you know. Let's go over here.
Get out my
Go over
face.
here.
I'm not doing nothing. I'm standing right here.
Right now, we're conducting an investigation, right?
I'm standing
Make
right
sure-
here, dude.
Now, leave, you gotta give us a space. Once you go to jail.
You
Let
got
me know.
space.
Go on the
What you
sidewalk.
talking
Go on
about?
the
I'm right
sidewalk.
here,
Go on the
dude.
sidewalk. Let me know.
I'm right
Go on the
here,
sidewalk.
dude. I'm not doing nothing, dude.
Do you wanna
Get out my face, dog.
Listen, bro, I gave you my license. You got my license right there,
Yo,
right?
relax. Hey, don't touch me.
I never touched you, bro. Call your manager right now.
I don't have a manager.
Call your supervisor.
Okay.
Call your supervisor, bro.
He's on his way, sir. You need to calm down.
Okay.
See this shit, man. Come on, man.
This shit don't mean nothing to me, bro.
Alright.
Do you have a search warrant?
What are you talking about, bro?
Okay then. You asking me what am I talking about, but you got my people out here crying and doing all this extra shit. That shit is getting on my nerve right now, bro. That part, bro. We're back in the neighborhood, bro. Let me come out the car, bro.
Hey, hold this.
Through my window, why you shoot me in my face for a movie?
You need to calm down, sir. Yo, what are you doing? Get him out.
Let me get that.
Get him out. Stop. Get out. Get out the car.
What y'all doing out there?
Get out the car. Get out the car.
What's up, man? You back up.
Stop.
Get off me, nigga. That nigga's weak.
Stop resisting.
You're weak. Oh, Weston.
You wait right there.
Black man.
You wait right there, bro. You're good, bro. Wait right there, okay?
That's my homework.
He did all that for no reason, okay? You're good. You're not under arrest. I'm just gonna detain you. Okay?
No, you can't. Let me just get in the car.
You're good. Don't resist, okay?
You about to shoot me in my eye?
Let me get the other hand.
You shoot me naked. I turn these dirty ass food on my fender. Back up! Get back now! Go! Back up!
Alright, set him up.
What the wrong with y'all, bro?
That was stupid. Right here, right. That was stupid.
Yeah, you keep saying that I was stupid. What did I do? Oh my God. Bro, that's my money, bro.
Relax.
That's my money that I work hard for. You hear me? To drive that nice car right now?
What is going on with this?
What is your problem?
Y'all my problem.
Alright, let's put him in the car.
Right.
Let's put him in the car.
Fix this car.
My car.
Y'all doing the most for me.
Alright, where's your car?
Alright. Hold on, let me lock this.
Why y'all put everybody. Look at my poor family, bro. Somebody cry out for me.
Hey, move him.
I ain't do nothing. Baby, let me give my baby a hug. Please.
Get in the car.
Oh, my God.
Get in the
Get
car.
in the car.
Yes. Oh, my God.
Move your leg.
What the?
Yeah. Hey, boss man. What's your name again, man?
Maxim.
Maxim, man. Hey, listen, man. Just gotta ask you a couple of questions before I can talk to you, man. I gotta read you some stuff, all right? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you shall give in this case shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
What you mean by that?
It's yes or no.
Just break it down.
That you're gonna be telling me the truth with whatever I'm gonna be asking you. You gotta tell me the truth. Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
I need a verbal yes,
Yes.
or no. Okay. Anything you say may be used against you in court. Do you understand?
You're right.
You have the right.
Yes,
You have the right to talk to a lawyer before entering question. Do you understand?
Yes.
If you cannot afford a lawyer and want one will be provided for you before question without charge. Do you understand?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you or promised you anything to get you to talk to me?
What's that? What's that?
Has anyone threatened you or promised you anything to get you to talk to me?
No.
Okay. All right, man. Obviously, the blunt was on your lap and stuff like that.
Yeah.
What else in the car belongs to you, man? Do you have a medical marijuana card by any chance?
Oh, just the weed. On me right now?
No. Do you have one in general?
Nah.
Okay. What else? What else in the car belongs to you?
Just the weed.
Which weed?
The one that I bought, and then the little half you seen in the little bag. The little piece of bag, yeah, on my right side, yeah.
Okay, the one that was right by the door on the passenger
yeah.
side. Anything else inside that car belongs to you?
That was it. Yeah, that's it.
How do you know this guy?
It's been a while I haven't touched him, but I know him, but it's been a while I haven't touched him. So I just hit him. I was stressed out, so I hit him up. And then asked him for some weed. That's it.
You asked him for some weed?
And yeah, he don't sell it. He just have a little bit. And then he just sold it to me. And then he was drinking. I was like, yo.
He sold that weed to you?
Yeah. And I was like, yeah.
How much did you buy it for?
$30.
$30? Okay. Okay. Where did you buy that weed out of? Like where when you bought up that weed, where were you guys?
At my crib.
Where is that at? Okay. Where were you guys going right now?
We was just gonna, even like right now when you just stop us, we're just gonna go to a park.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Obviously you guys were smoking in the car. You know, like
He wasn't smoking.
Right. Yeah, but even if you were smoking, he's inside the car. He just sold you weed.
Yeah, whatever he got going on, that's what you mean. But
Nah,
like, why he got me in handcuffs, man?
I got you, man. Listen, again, man. Everybody in the thing is detained, okay? That's why.
For no reason, like, come on, man. Like, you know, if my mom hear about this shit, she gonna like, what if my mom heard about this shit?
Listen, again,
That
man,
how you gonna feel?
I don't
you
know.
gonna be happy about it,
I don't know.
right?
I don't. Again, man. I don't
You gonna
dictate
be
how the
happy about it,
traffic
right?
stop
Y'all
go,
gonna
bro.
be happy about it, man.
It's not on me, man. Like I don't dictate how this thing gonna go, bro.
This shit crazy.
Okay.
Man.
All right, man. Give me 1 second. Okay?
Like,
Ma'am, you were on the phone?
Yeah, with the sister.
Let me explain to you something.
Please. Sister, I don't know, s'il vous plaît.
Let me explain to you something. That is a perfect example of what you did not do when you pulled over by traffic stop.
I know.
I could hear you in the background, making a scene, crying, escalating it. So he hears you crying, and that just worsens things.
Okay.
That is what you do not do in a situation like this. Do you understand? Okay.
Y'all arrest them, that's fine.
His sister is in the phone.
Y'all didn't ask for us to take the car.
You want to know what's on the car? You don't have to wait for the primary officer.
Okay, you're gonna give me a phone number to come there?
He's doing his investigation. When he's done, he'll come and talk to you. I explain this.
Yeah.
We are just back. We're here for scene safety. Listen.
The park is right in front of the house. Can you just allow somebody to park it in front of the house, please?
It's not up to me.
He was sleeping in his home.
Why they towing the car?
Because it was involved in a crime.
A violent crime?
Who was the driver of the vehicle?
My husband.
Is he being arrested?
A long time ago.
No, right now.
No.
Is he? That's your husband sitting down?
In the car. He in the car.
Okay. So he's being arrested.
Yeah, okay. That's why they towing the car?
He was. Yeah. I'm confused on what you're confused about.
I'm confused.
He's in front of his home. Can you just allow them to park the car there?
There's nothing saying we have to ask you if he was the driver of the vehicle. He gets arrested, correct?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Because he was the driver of the vehicle, now the vehicle's being towed to leave the crime scene.
All right, Busman, step out for me. Hey, man, again, man, thanks for being cool, man. Hey, I did not want this to go this way. All right.
Maxon, what I tell you?
so I'm good now.
Good, bro.
For real.
Cooperating? Pay attention, Maxon. Cooperating goes a long way, man.
Hey, man, appreciate you being cool, all right?
So can I go get my phone? Can you go get me my phone?
I'll get it for you.
So where?
Come here and I'll talk to you. Nothing, man. Like I said, the cooperation goes a long way. And the driver, he did all that, man, for nothing. And then it didn't help that his girl escalated the situation. You see what I'm saying?
Lawful basis for the stop Delaware v. Prowse, 440 U.S. 6481979. An observable traffic violation provides reasonable articulable suspicion sufficient to justify initiating a traffic stop. Driver removal from vehicle Pennsylvania v. Mims, 434 U.S. 1061977. Officers may order a driver out of a lawfully stopped vehicle as a matter of routine officer safety. Non-compliance is unlawful. Probable cause. Voluntary admission. Doctrine a suspect's unsolicited admission of a controlled substance in the vehicle establishes independent probable cause for a warrantless search under the Fourth Amendment, regardless of other statutory defenses. Florida Amendment 3. Unresolved legal frontier effective January 2025. Amendment 3 legalized adult cannabis possession up to 3 ounces. However, the legislature had not enacted implementing regulations as of the 31st of March 2025. Florida courts had not issued binding appellate guidance on probable cause implications. Felony drug charge. Florida Statute Section 893.13, subsection 1. A sale or delivery of cannabis is a third-degree felony. Maximum penalty 5 years in state prison and a $5,000 fine. A $30 transaction fully satisfies the statutory elements. Misdemeanor drug. Charge Florida Statute. Section 893.13, subsection 6b. Possession of cannabis under 20 grams is a first-degree misdemeanor. Maximum penalty 1 year in county jail and a $1,000 fine. Resisting without violence. Florida Statute Section 843.02. The offense requires only that the subject obstruct or oppose an officer engaged in the lawful execution of a legal duty. No physical aggression is necessary to satisfy the elements of this charge. Custodial interrogation and Miranda rights. Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 4361966. Prior to custodial interrogation, officers must advise the suspect of the right to remain silent, the right to an attorney, and the right to appointed counsel if unable to afford one. Pre-Miranda oath, Fifth Amendment concern. The officer administered a testimonial oath before Miranda warnings language drawn from courtroom procedure, not police interrogation. Missouri v. Seibert 542 US 6002004. Pre-warning techniques that undermine Miranda protections are constitutionally impermissible. Evidentiary consequence of the Seibert violation. The passenger statement obtained after the irregular oath is the primary evidentiary support for the felony sale charge. If suppressed, Florida Statute Section 893.13, subsection 1a, becomes substantially harder to sustain at trial. U.S. Ov. 4 Standard Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 3861989. The reasonableness of force must be evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene at the moment of the decision, not with the benefit of hindsight. Lesson 1. Voluntary disclosure. Any unsolicited statement confirming the presence of a controlled substance immediately provides law enforcement with independent probable cause. Suspects are not required to answer questions beyond identifying themselves. Silence cannot be used against a suspect at trial. Lesson 2. Compliance and legal rights. Exiting a vehicle without instruction, refusing lawful commands, and approaching an officer during an active stop each independently satisfy elements of Florida Statute Section 843.02. Compliance preserves legal options. Non-compliance forfeits them. Lesson 3. Miranda waiver carries legal risk. Waiving Miranda rights and providing a statement implicating others may result in discretionary release, but does not eliminate criminal exposure. The Fifth and Sixth Amendment rights attach upon custody. Invoking the right to silence and requesting counsel is always the legally optimal choice in custodial interrogation. Lesson 4. Procedural compliance in interrogation. Law enforcement must distinguish courtroom procedure from field interrogation. An oath administered before Miranda warnings is a procedural violation that can suppress critical evidence and compromise the most serious charges in a case regardless of the strength of physical evidence.